God bless you and welcome again to this vlog. In this vlog I'll show you how to use kales to make a delicious soup together with vegetable leftovers, and then how to use kales to make a tea. The process is simple. I simply cut the kales into small pieces, or chop them, if you may say. Yes, is it chopping, is it cutting? Yes, they are in small pieces now. And then I prepared garlic. Garlic gives the soup a very a good aroma, a delicious aroma. And then I had some leftover vegetables, and these ones I wanted to add into the soup to make it more nutritious. And then of course spices, and for spices you can just use what you have. And I had some leftover meat that I chopped into small pieces. And then for the spices, you can see I have paprika, mixed curry, beef cubes. Then it was time to boil the mixture under low heat, and then I just blended everything. At this point I've not put in the meat yet, so I'm just blending the vegetables and spices. Then it was time to put in the meat, and the soup was ready. It was delicious, and you can choose to eat it with bread. For me, I just like the soup on its own. My husband likes it with bread. Other members of the family like it in different ways. It's a matter of personal choice. Yes, and the next part is using the kales to make tea, and this is the process. After cutting the kales into small pieces, I dried them in the oven until they had that consistency of dry leaves. And then I took apples from our garden. They grow widely in our garden. And then I removed the core and blended the apples. And you can see I'm blending both the flesh and the apple peels. Yes, and then it was time to spread it on baking paper and put it in the oven to dry. And I used low heat, drying it slowly over a period of time until I got a crispy texture of the mixture that could be blended. Then it was time to blend it together with the vegetable leaves, and I added ginger powder. And here you can choose what you want to add. I like ginger powder because of the taste. And then blended everything together. Yes, and as you can see, the mixture makes a good cup of tea with a spicy, gingerly taste, and apple and kales. And that's how I preserve the rest to use as tea. Because it's dry, it can be preserved over a period of time. Mine can stay up to 3 months. Thank you for watching. I hope you are inspired, you enjoyed watching this video. God bless you, and you are free to subscribe, comment, and come back for more inspiration. See you next time.